How to find your business integration on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your business integration on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook, click on those three lines up there, click on the setting icon beside the search icon, and here scroll down and you're gonna find business integration. Wait for a second. Here you're gonna find apps and services that you have logged into with Facebook to manage your Facebook business, and information like ads page, group, and message. And now you can view what information a business integration has access or remove it. Here you're gonna find and here you're gonna remove it, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.